Hong Kong strives to be a hub for innovation and technology, leveraging technology to lead the emergence of new productive forces. Capitalizing data resources, driven by AI for smart manufacturing, igniting new economic vitality. Nurturing a new technology workforce through an integrated ecosystem, from education and research to the industry supply chain. Fortifying Hong Kong's new positioning as an innovation-driven economy. Innovating new technologies. Advancing green sustainability research and development. By investing in intelligent production systems, comprehensively upgrading traditional industries. New productive forces open a new chapter for Hong Kong. Connecting the world. Innovation for Hong Kong. Wisdom for the country. Value for the world.